Today we're gonna list this Double Dragon. Then we're gonna type in Double Dragon Nintendo. We're gonna scroll down all the way until you see sold items. And then we're gonna find the exact game. So once we found the exact game, we're gonna sell one like this. On this page, we're gonna add from computer. We're gonna upload some pictures. So find where you have your pictures. And then scroll down until you get to pricings, and we're gonna change that. We're gonna change it from auction to buy it now. And I'm gonna price mine at $10.50. We're also gonna change the shipping to free shipping. And we are ready to list it. When you get to this page, we're gonna click maybe next time. And then we're gonna click promote your listing now. We have officially listed our eBay listing.
If you like the video, make sure to smash that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and also check the links below. Thank you for watching.